Hey guys, it's Wendy with Fab Crafts and More, and it's a box. I just tore off the label so that you can't see my name and address, but if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you love haul videos, give this a thumbs up. This is a little bit overdue. This is an order from Joann's over Cyber Monday, and they had 50% off all their Tim Holtz specialty paper craft items. And so I may have gone a little bit crazy, but I'm still building my stash of stamps and inks. So I've been overusing this little guy right here. So I definitely needed to get some more. And I also got the liquid refill for that. So let's take a look. Like I said, they had 50% off on all of their stamps and Tim Holtz products. So I'm just going to start right here. It's kind of a mishmash, but so I got this super cute stamp from Stampendous, and this is not a Tim Holtz stamp, but they had all rubber stamps were 50% off. So this is a Christmas one, and it's really cute because it's got some postmarks. You know, this looks like on the vintage postcards. It's got some different writing, so this would be really cute as a background, you know, or just a little bit, you know, on the corner of an embellishment. And I really love these bee images, and I've been sort of looking at this every time I go into my local store. This stamp has been available, but they don't always have the stamps on sale for 50% off. So I'm glad I waited and I was able to get that. I also have been wanting to try this Yupo paper. This is the type of paper that you want to use with alcohol inks if you want to make those really pretty, like, I guess, watercolor type blending of inks. And it's kind of like what you see up here in the corner. Regular paper absorbs the alcohol ink, and this Yupo paper has a finish on it that allows you to mix the colors, and they won't sink into the paper, but they'll dry on there in some really pretty designs. So I've been wanting to give that a try. So I really like these technical drawing stamps, and I also look for like books and papers that have similar type of images where, you know, they have like the lines that are like they're like technical drawing things, you know, like architects will use for measuring and things like that. And so I picked these up, and you can see how big they are. These ones, you know, will be great for like a background stamp. And then these ones I saw a couple people make some really cute Christmas tags with these, and this has a bunch of different fall and winter holidays. And then of course some beverages, wine, and cute little umbrella drinks. So those are awesome. And I collect old postcards and just really like to incorporate sort of this old Victorian postcard imagery in my tags and embellishments. So of course I had to get this postcard stamp set. Love it. And then you can't have enough bugs. So this has beetles and I guess not butterflies. So this is like moths. This one's called Entomology. It's got this great sort of like journal entry, and then it has the bugs. This one right here will go along great with the postcard stamp set. This one is called Stamp Collector, and it just has all different types of stamps. And I just posted a video about looking in stamp collecting books to get images. And so it'll be interesting for me to go in and see if any of these are actually taken from real stamps. So there's that. And then here is another of the sort of technical drawing stamp ones. I thought this one was really cool. This sort of goes into a little bit of a steampunk type look. This one is called Inventor, which makes sense with the light bulb and some contraption on his head. And then I also saw somebody had created a tag using this bird image, and then, you know, stamps that have words on them are always great for just, you know, putting in the corner of a tag. The flower here, even though it's kind of muddled and, you know, not super clear, will be great in sort of a light ink, maybe on the background of a paper to just create dimension and texture. And this one is called Shabby French. And then here is my ink refill for the vintage photo, and these are distress inks. I have all distress inks and not distress oxide inks. Distress oxide inks are the ones that you want to use when you're trying to blend colors together. They blend better, and these ones work better, in my opinion, for distressing edges of paper. So I've been using vintage photo, and I did get another vintage photo color, but I also have been wanting to try some other brown and reddish colors for that. So I got Fired Brick, I got Tea Dye, and Rusty Hinge, and let's see, what else do we have? Tattered Rose is supposed to be just sort of like a blush color, and then Antique Linen. So I'm looking forward to trying those out for distressing, for just a little bit of a different look than always using the vintage photo. And who knows, maybe I'll just go back to always using vintage photo. I asked questions in a couple Facebook groups about what inks people really liked, and these are all from the answers that I got from people. So this one is called Weathered Wood, and I think it's actually a little bit of a light blue color. Got Broken China, which is definitely a brighter blue color. Peeled Paint, which looks sort of like an olive green color, and Forest Moss. I think these will be really great with some outdoor images, animals, trees, you know, flora type images. So this was my haul, and like I said, all of these were 50% off. So I think things ran, the inks, they were either like $5.99 or $6.99, and they were all half off. I never buy anything unless it's on sale. And then of course, these stamp sets ran anywhere from $6.99 to, I think, even up into $30. So getting them half price was like, yes. I don't think I mentioned some of the names, so as I put them away, I'll say the postcard one is called Postcards. This one with the scissors and the sewing form is called Inventor 3. So let's see, that other Inventor one was Inventor 2. So this one's Inventor 2. This one is Inventor 3. This one is Mini Blueprints. So technical drawings and blueprints, that's kind of what these are all about, with those, you know, the lines going through and the measurements and everything. This one was Mini Blueprints 10 with the different types of beverages. And then we've got the Yupo paper, and this little guy is a Hero Arts stamp, and it is Antique Bee and Flowers. And this one, the Stampendous one, is called Cling Christmas Background. So today, the day I'm filming this, is January 12th, and actually Joann's right now has all these stamps on sale for 40% off, which is still a good deal. So, but of course, at the end of this video, in a couple days, that will be gone. But just keep your eye out. That's what I do. Check the sales. But of course, if there's something you're just dying to have, just go get it. You'll have tons of fun with it. So thanks for joining me. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications button to be alerted when I have new videos on Cricut, Brother Scan and Cut, junk journaling, crafts, cooking, photography, and more. That's why it's called Fab Crafts and More. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.